Everybody start chanting. Everybody start chanting Sylvana. Sylvana.
I'm going deaf in.
Sylvana.
No. Alright, it backfired.
Oh wait, what's this? Wait.
Backfired.
Wait, what is this?
Wait, what? What is that?
It's purple and blue.
No, that's teal. That's
Or-
not.
It's a wish. Okay, I guess basically it's a teal. Oh, Aisha. Okay. Yeah, you can look at this one, Adam. It's not a Sylvana.
Okay, good. But you're trying to gain my trust again. Uh-oh.
This is a This is actually traction. This is.
Oh, fun. You know what's crazy?
What?
Is that there's a house with the address 1839 North Jamestown Lane. In Oklahoma.
And there goes, and that's it.